Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my pleasure to be, standing in front of you today to announce the launch of Colors Infinity. It's a very momentous occasion for us and a very significant milestone for Viacom 18. And I say that because about 7 years back, just about 21st of July, 2008, which is about 7 years back, we had launched Colors in India, as many of you would know. And thereafter, Hindi entertainment was never the same again. So Colors redefined the Hindi entertainment space. And we are very confident that with the launch of Colors Infinity, again in July, but July of 2015, we will redefine the English entertainment space. So this is our promise. As Shibani was just telling you, there are a lot of firsts with this channel. There are a lot of things which we are going to do differently. There are a lot of things which are very innovative, starting from no more reruns, as she was talking about, the repertoire of content which we have. It's our ability to address the rapidly growing English-speaking audience in India. And as some of you may be aware, English-speaking audience in India is roughly about 210 million. Of course, Farzad Palia has better numbers, but let me give you a back of the envelope. So 210 million, which makes us the second largest English-speaking or English-consuming audience, if I could sort of roughly use that word. And therefore, it deserves much better than what we have. It has room for more innovation. It has room for more players. And that's where Colors Infinity comes in. Amongst the many new things which we are doing, there is one which I wanted to steal the thunder from Farzad and share with you. And I'll leave the rest for Farzad to share in detail with you, which is, for the very first time, a channel is being co-curated in India. So a big round of applause for the two co-curators we have, the very talented and multifaceted Karan Johar, and very talented and a youth symbol, in a manner of speaking, youth icon, Alia Bhatt. So big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Karan Johar and Alia Bhatt, who are actually the people who have curated this channel, which will come to you. So, along with our team, but these are the people who picked the shows. These are the people who've sort of said how these shows should be coming to you, in which form, what should we be doing in scheduling them, and what are the other innovations we could bring in as we go around. And we have complete confidence in their talent and in their judgment, as many of you would know. And without further ado, let me now call on Farzad Palia to share everything else about Colors Infinity. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for Farzad.
Thank you, Sudhanshu. Thank you all. I get the applause that the curators should be getting, but thank you. Thank you all for joining us. It is, as Sudhanshu said, it's truly a momentous occasion for us. This is where English entertainment leapfrogs into where it really deserves to be, which is much broader than where it is currently. I'm not going to take too much of your time because I know the real reason all of you are here. And I'm going to quickly share a few points that actually made us venture in this direction. So where we are today is really the golden age of television across the world. TV series are now the new movies. You're seeing more TV series produced than ever before. The number of TV series in developed markets like the US has gone up 400% in the last few years. And that's no mean feat. The problem is, we aren't seeing enough of it here. We're seeing a bit. We're seeing some good stuff. We're seeing some not so good stuff. But there's so much more, and that's where we come in. What's happening in India? So, yes, Sudhanshu, you did get that number right. It was 210 million Indians now are English literate, which is a huge number. And the other thing that we've seen with our existing businesses such as Comedy Central and VH1 is that most of our viewership, almost 60% of it, is actually coming from outside the metros. And that is a marked change. You so far, your sneak peek of that in the promos. The other thing is, we will be therefore reaching out to a broad base of people. We'll be going across 25 cities at least to market. And this is unprecedented again for an English language channel which normally does not more than a 5 to 6 city campaign. So we're very, very serious about this business and growing and bringing in a much broader audience onto this in a way that they are comfortable. And of course, you've heard this phrase before, many times over. We've taken the cue, and we will be creating a lot of English product for Colors Infinity. Make in India is important to us. We will be making a lot of English language content here to build relevance and to go beyond to a much larger base. Our co-curators are obviously going to help us spread the message. Couple of other things. You're wondering whether you will possibly be able to watch it. You know, I've got this question 1,000 times over on, you know, are we going to be available on X platform or Y platform? Yes, we are. And we'll be across DTH and cable. And we will be...
meets an incredible story. And where your hero meets his. A horizon is a place of transformation. Where a star can become a fan. Where your passion becomes your purpose. It's the line where darkness fades and light emerges. A horizon is where the best experiences in life never have to end. They just begin again and become infinite. Introducing a new English entertainment channel where the biggest personalities bring you the most extraordinary stories. Colors Infinity, a new horizon in English entertainment.
Sudhanshu to come up on stage. We're gonna come and take a picture with you, Karan. We're gonna take a picture with you, if you don't mind.
I think eventually we'll have to all come together.
We can, but not confusing. Okay, let's go. Okay, thanks. Right now? I'll come back.